Hey guys, welcome back to Sensible Absurdity. So, 2 consecutive videos in a row without an election prediction. At this time, I'm proud to say that I have 12 subscribers. And sure, I know some of you personally. But I still consider that an accomplishment considering how young my channel is. Now, my goal from this point on is to gain 1 subscriber a day. Because at that rate, I should be eligible for my gold play button on... Hold up a minute. Yeah, okay. Gold play button, here I come. On March 19th, 4,759. Basically take Futurama, double it, and then, basically Futurama times 2.7 years from now. I should be eligible for my gold play button, provided that I attain 1 subscriber a day. Yeah. Should I keep the video going for 10 minutes? Just to hopefully get ad revenue from it in the future? Nah, I'm nicer than that. Peace.